Hey guys, Namanara this side, and today you are going to learn about COVID-19. After watching this video, you can deliver a speech on COVID-19 in English. This video will also help students to write an essay on COVID-19 in English. Since last year, COVID-19 is the talk of the town, isn't it? So please watch this video without skipping and pay your proper attention. So let me tell you what we people are going to understand today. First of all, we are going to understand what is COVID-19. Then we will discuss about its signs and symptoms. We will also understand what are the causes behind this. It is truly said prevention is better than cure, and we will learn how to prevent. Last but not the least, we will also understand what is the treatment of COVID-19 and what are the vaccines available for COVID-19. So guys, without wasting time, let's understand all the topics one by one. Before understanding this topic, let me tell you what does COVID-19 stand for. Here CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease, and 19 is there because first case was registered in 2019.
Let's understand what is COVID-19. It is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses. It can cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases. The first case was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. It is epidemic because it spreads rapidly among many people same time in a country. It is pandemic because it spreads rapidly in multiple countries around the world same time. So if you want to know what is the difference between epidemic and pandemic, let's understand. Epidemic is a disease that affects a large number of people within a community or region. It belongs to a particular people or country. On the other hand, pandemic is a disease when it spreads over multiple countries or continents. For example, in December 2019, outbreak of COVID within China was epidemic, but it became pandemic when it started to affect large number of people in many countries same time. So now we are going to understand what are the symptoms of COVID-19. Actually, its symptoms are variable ranging from mild to severe illness. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness, etc. Less common symptoms are sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, etc. If we talk about serious symptoms, breathing difficulties, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement may be there. Actually, things that symptoms may change over time. On average, it takes 3 to 4 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. So now we are going to understand what are the causes behind COVID-19. COVID-19 is caused by infection with the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. It spreads from person to person mainly through the respiratory route after an infected person coughs, sneezes, sings, talks, or breathes. New infection occurs when virus containing particles exhaled by an infected person get into the mouth, nose, or eyes of other people. Now let's understand some prevention for COVID-19. Clean your hands often. Stay home if you feel unwell. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Follow social distancing and self-isolation rules. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. If you have fever, cough, or breathing issue, seek medical attention. cover your nose and mouth with bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Now let's understand what can be the treatment for COVID-19. First of all, let's discuss at home coronavirus treatment. If your symptoms are mild enough that you can recover at home, you can rest. It can make you feel better and may speed your recovery. You can also stay home, don't go to work, school, or public places. If your symptoms are worse, call your doctor right away. Ask your doctor about over the counter medicines that may help. If your case is severe, members of the medical staff will check for symptoms that the illness is causing more serious problem. Let's come to know about availability of vaccines. India has already rolled out a massive coronavirus vaccination drive using two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. Government has stated that India's vaccine production and delivery capacity will be used for the benefit of all humanity to fight the COVID-19 pandemic.
Hope you are ready to deliver a speech or write an essay on COVID-19 in English if you get a chance, right? If it is so, please click on this logo to subscribe the channel. Please also share this video with your maximum friends to learn the same with RPN. If you have any query, please comment. We will reply as soon as possible. Have a nice time.